so Okoman 971 and right now man for sustain the Facebook ne WhatsApp on Instagram take call and I was say munya enhwe na mo ko YouTube am hwe and to YouTube no bogu papa so na Facebook no so twegu and to prepare me no kase ko Facebook na ko hwe Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Global Sports twegu the executive producer Ayo Rako Fianson Bafo ono na jumadi nyina so asesa yare ba Samson I'm head of sports Nana Okori Ajiman ono na nsem nyina waboabo ano de ama me awie nso mere ba Samson and Nana Kwame Amponsah the finest ono so make sure say jumadi nso betuma koso na sekese komo nyina and me producer DJ Tony and I feel so DJ Zigibi I don't know make sure say social media Facebook ni betwagu and no visual say twagu Facebook ni nyina DJ Zigibi and we am one about so papa me so ameti adwam medin ane Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi with my friend AK na ewie nsembe na yehwe unu say international duty ni asaba biem and the various countries na reported to camp Italy for reporting Spain reporting Portugal reporting 3 Lions of England for so reported that Diamond Shot of Germany so reported Azuris of Italy La Roja of Spain Samson and the Black Stars of Ghana so na fiachna combat reported. The Black National Film so na international duty squad no near bano. Samson na piemo fi ha sam kese aba. Uko piemo hatso foka kachia. Enye nika, enye de, enye fe. Abranti and the Gladson awako. Reported by chance Abranti and so to terminating the contract our house akachi. Ye Gladson awako tinton time had to folk of your makachi. Assistant the bag or saying Yadio Babo has biem. And any news sir and also bar. Korean age. And to the Babana first have this uncommon. And the contract Ben had to folk Great Olympics and our wako so assassin here. And they had to folk Eddie can I first payment at my Olympics. They need to join quite if you are signed banner. Olympics say share I ran to my boy and fire who. Ya GSK you and ya did this Kabia Bama. When you're not second part of the family. And Tiabekona first year Olympics in Penny Fighting come on. Say Nancy Canomo de Mahas and Asa Branton or Hokodia no. The National First and set to make a Kwame Parado on the PRO Edema to folk Timino, Public Relations Officer. Not first year Parado wedding come on. When in summer Navy and Save but when it's a Black Stars, Memeda live for Cape Sports Stadium, 4 p.m. Ghana time. Black Stars of Ghana, Agent Akono against Zimbabwe. I know I World Cup qualifier. The international first year this game no come on. But I reckon first man and then some bar. Abuja Fofia. Papa the fresh atnase. Senior on duty of ya. Samson JP. John Peter and so ha. I know courage my better say Jeff Akufu Boatin Sofia and Tenefia best papa Entino yanko na fensa manane stemno yamfamra.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's alright in tiene yankona fensuna manana nsem yensuno yentumi emfam brown say nsem dodo na ana etwa guabra ne no international break so etumi aba eno so na nya sem kuma ye be hye nsem na sedia yen hye asenso no entumi emfam free the Azuris of Italy onum say ne no World Cup na obokobo no and qualifies no so etumi koso a and the squad no so no Roberto Mancini so no etumi dia ba bonten a enya sem kuma tie ne yenkotwa Italy team no squad a ne so no amere kwa kopiem na face big game no omo so metumi abo goalkeepers no makoma komiensa Abrante anasa Mrante ni Donnarumma susina kan adema Paris Saint-Germain goalkeeper Sansu ne merit so no yetuma tonsa e dia friend no Abrante ni dia de Sirigu so no ene yetuma friend na weni goalkeepers a Italy for so no ene almost ba almost kwa ko gina mu abo World Cup qualify game no enso no etumi e dia mo man ni dia Azuris of Italy na defenders no so ni Mrante ni Abrante ni e dia Sebi so ba Sansu na Bastoni Bonucci ana afensu no headmaster Abrante ni dia de Giorgio Chiellini enso ene yetuma tonsa enso etumi e dia friend Sansu na ene no Abrante osina kan di Napoli ni dia de Lorenzo so no ene yetuma tonsa enso e dia friend Sansu na ene Emerson ene Chelsea former player no Abrante no so ene no yetuma tonsa dia friend na ono so kwa kosi akan enso e dia mada Azuris of Italy na toline so ba Sansu na midfielders no say ene no so esifa etie edema Azuris of Italy Nicola Barella enso e plosina kan ma Inter Milan team no ono so ene yetuma friend no Sansu na Cristante ono so kan Jorginho enso Chelsea and they were joining the Azuris of Italy Manuel Catoli Juventus so ba Sansu ene Manuel Pellegrini and as Abrante ni sinakan edema AS Roma team na and so na yasem kuma ene persona enso etuma tonsa etuma da friend afio so Marco Verratti of Paris Saint-Germain ono so yetumi afriend no na attackers ni ne Abrante ni de Baradi el Sassuolo Sansu na ene no Federico Bernardeschi el ene Juventus team no ma ono so joining Italy bobo ko no Francesco Chiesa enso etuma pass Mobile Lorenzo Insigne ana afeso no Abrante ni de Raspadori ono so yetuma tonsa e dia friend na eno so enya sem kuma nti weni squad a the Azuris of Italy eso ereko ekwa bom World Cup qualifiers a yeso yetumi e dia to yetiefo anima eno so na enya sem kuma na yenko na afeso yenko twa Diamond of Germany and the Germany team no eno so real ni din enso na the digital freak so no atumi atonsa the free players a amoso betuma boa na niama so akoso Edema Maya ni dia de Germany yenso na feso no yen first squad na Germany so no ade ba no entumi fa tuja Enfama yetie for dia ukopia goalkeepers na ene Abrante ni de Mano no ya Bayern Munich so ene yetuma friend Bernard Leno Arsenal ono so join Germany team no Sansu na Marc-Andre ter Stegen enso Barcelona ntene no uko Facebook abe say ne squad no eda wa no so twagu a ene so anya sem kuma ntene join Facebook sisi a na squad ene Germany enso na tumi corner defenders ni ne Matthias Ginter Borussia Mönchengladbach ono so join Sansu ne Thilo Kehrer enso Paris Saint-Germain Lucas no Klosterman so no etuma join Germany team no onu sina kan eso no etuma de Leipzig bobo ko no David Ramsey ayetie mafia Antonio Rudiger Chelsea mu defender no onu so ne etuma tonsa e de afa Abrante Nico eneno Scottalbeck so no El Freiberg no so etua tonsa e de friend Nicolas Sule na Bayern Munich midfielders ni ne tie ni Germany midfielders ni no omoriko ye World Cup qualify mu enso enie Abrante ni de ade Leon Goretzka enso na Bayern bobo konim Jonas Sofia Borussia Mönchengladbach Sansu na Joshua Kimmich Bayern Munich Thomas Müller ɛso Bayern Munich abrante ne de Jamal Musiala ɛnso na Bayern Munich team no Florian Neuhaus nso no Borussia Mönchengladbach Marco Reus Borussia Dortmund afei nso no Leroy Sané Bayern Munich Florian Wirtz ɛnso na Bayer Leverkusen we ne midfielder sene no Germany nso no ɛtuma to nsa ɛde afroma yɛde ɛto yɛtiefo ne yɛkɔ piamu Germany ne attackers no tie ne Karim Adeyemi ɛnso na Salzburg ayafrɛ no Serge Gnabry Bayern Munich abrante ne din ɛde Kai Havertz ɛnso Chelsea yɛtuma to nsa frɛ no ne na abrante ne ɔmo hyɛ ne so betuma gyina ne mu atoto ntena no ɛyɛ abrante ne de yɛde Timo Werner ɔno so ne Germany for ɛnso atuma to nsa ɛde afrɛ na ɛno so anya sɛ nkomantene wo join on Facebook wo say Germany squad no ɛno so yɛtwa ne sɛ betumi da to na to atuma hu ne yɛkɔ ne yɛba na yɛkɔ na afei so no yɛkɔ hwɛ La Roja Spain so squad ɛne ɔmo de kɔ World Cup qualify ni mu na fesu ye mobɔ so emfama dia yenkɔhwɛ ne Spain team no yenhwɛ mrante ɔmo so no ɛkɔ wohwɛ goalkeepers na abrante ne de Unai Simon so Athletic Club Bilbao yɛtuma frɛ no David De Gea Manchester United saa so na abrante ne de Rafael Sanchez so no yɛtuma to nsa ɛde frɛ no na abrante ne de enso na de Pedro Porro ɔno ɛyɛ defender abrante ne de Cesar Azpilicueta Chelsea ɔno so yɛtumi ato nsa ɛde frɛ no ntene wo join feed no Facebook obo say Spain squad no so ade no so etimi dawa ya de ma Emerick Laporte so join team no saa so de Eric Garcia Barcelona ano so ho Inigo Martinez so no from Real Sociedad so etuma join Spain team no saa so na Pau Torres so no Villarreal team no ma enye se fedi agro saa so de Sergio Reguilon so Tottenham etuma to nsa enso etumi de afra Brandon no Marcos Alonso Chelsea for the first time Brandon join La Roja Spain team na and so anya team kuma Rodri Manchester City midfielder no enso e Babi Sergio Busquets Burgos Barcelona South in Gavi enso na Brandon etuma ne debut call up so I was Spain anya sem kuma ene koke resurrection so no etuma join team no South na Brandon de Merino enso etuma to nsa e de afre no Brandon de Sergio Rafael enso etuma ba ana afen so no anasa Brandon de yes Rafael Sergio Roberto enso etuma to nsa e de afre no na Brandon sina kadema Tottenham Brangil so no etuma to nsa e de afre na enya sem kuma Yeremi enso ne Spain for etuma fra Brandon no sanso ne no Brandon de Ferran Torres so Manchester City watumi ba Michael Yazabel enso ba na afen so no for now enso sina kadema West Ham Boboko no ano so etuma to nsa e de afre na Pablo Sarabia Brandon no so no and Spain for so no etuma to nsa e de afre na ano so no enya sem kuma yenko na afen so no yenko hwe England team no and e hwe squad England for so no na de kwako si akan enso World Cup qualify ni mu na afen so yenfa tuja enfa ma etiefo yenhwe na afen so no yenpa England squad no enfa tuja enfa ma odia ukopie mu England coach ani di enso de Gary Southgate nso no watuma name squad na enya sem kuma ti England squad no say na no so etifa tie intene producer assistant afen so to me England ato na amafo nya bi ahwe Spain ha intene wo join on Facebook say na England squad no so no etifa tie goalkeeper so no enya makoma yensa Brandon de Sam Johnston so no yetuma to start their friend Jordan Pickford Everton Brandon de Aaron Ramsdale and also yetuma ba defenders ni Conor Kwade and so na Wolves Boboko ni mu Sanson Reece James or Chelsea trying makes so no Aston Villa look so Manchester United team no John Stones or Man City Fikayo Tomori AC Milan for the first time Fikayo Tomori and so yetuma joining the Three Lions of England Okwakwo Boama England bo amano and so yetuma kwa the name Kieran Trippier Atletico Madrid Sanson Akawaka and so no etuma to nsa e their friend midfielders no nie Phil Foden wa Manchester City Jordan Henderson so etuma ba Jesse Lingard Mason Mount Calvin Phillips and after so Declan Rice so yetuma to nsa e their friend players ya enya sem kuma na attackers ni Jack Grealish of Manchester City and also etuma ba Harry Kane Tottenham and also ya friend no sanso na Bukayo Saka Arsenal makoda we so no so no Gary Southgate so etuma to nsa e their friend no Raheem Sterling sanso le no Oli Watkins na Brandon and Jadon Sancho and then I'm for Chirema and Koye kura still you better Fred Jadon Sancho and so England the England squad no ene ne so no etwagu Facebook a osu nya kwenya enso no etumi ahwe bi enso wo ha enya sem kuma na yenko na fesu yenko piem o Portugal man mu na fesu no mse ne no Portugal for ene omofu plane ntu be check Facebook a wo se Portugal players no ay krado a ene omo from private jet no na fesu no ometuma ko ngoma join ne aye omo man na fesu ometuma boa amani ama so no etuma ko so wano ede ma Portugal man na goalkeeper so no enso ye miensan ha ntu jo ne live for Facebook a wo se ne no Joan Cancelo mo full plane na ne so no amukwa akọbọ ama Portugal eso no etima form to mapa e de frana goalkeeper sinini Patricio Wolverhampton Wanderers ono so etima ba Antonio Lopez e Lyon sanso na Diego Costa ono so na Porto team no ma ono so ba be boa amani ama so no etima cost defenders sinini Joan Cancelo e Manchester City, Diego Dalot e Man United, Ruben Dias e Manchester City, Pepe eso sina kadima Porto Boboko no Nuno Mendes e Paris Saint-Germain ono so no etima ba Abrante ni de Domingos e Duarte El Granada o Spain Mountain so Rafael Guerrero El Borussia Dortmund afenso no Abrante ni de Danilo Pereira eso sina kan so no etima ma PSG team no ma ono so join Portugal squad no intene no squad na tuma twa gua o join on Facebook abon stay the players no o ma jam back kama na afenso no fro yen jet na ano so na yasen kuma na midfielders ni Joao eja Pahila eso sina kan eso na tumi at my Sporting Lisbon ono so etima ba Ruben Neves e o team no mo England Joao Martinho eso na Wolves e England Bruno Fernandes e Manchester United ono so etima join Portugal man no João Mario ano so na Benfica William Carvalho e Real Betis Matias Nunes nsoro e Sporting Lisbon ono so etima to nsa enso their friend na forward ni players no ya makomako nsia ana ne coach nso no etima friend Bernardo Silva of Manchester City etima friend Cristiano Ronaldo enso na Man United Diego Jota e Liverpool enso na Rafa Silva e Benfica team no Andre Silva enso na RB Leipzig enso of Germany ana afenso na Brighton ni ade Concalo ye Gudes enso na Valencia ono so ni enso no etumato nsa ede frena enya sem kuma ne nenu enko biemu enso na bomaya ni din ade Brazil na Brazil man no ono so mata touch down dada ene so no training camp no session etuma chase Brazil krodioma eno so enya sem kuma yenhwe players ene Brazil so no etumato nsa ede from the producer for Brazil squad no ana afi so no training no ebra mo ya no ohwe players no o ma okeka training grounds ene wo Fred so ho intene na no so twegu sabepe ana so tifa etie intero the picture na to na wo Thiago Silva and Fred Museni omoboa ama Brazil training session no enso etuma koso ebetuma kama enso ho goalkeeper sinini Alisson Becker ono Liverpool Samson Ederson Manchester City Abrante ni dey at the Wolverhampton so no ye no bobokwa ni dey enso no at the Palmeiras so Brazil crowd ni fullbacks no say ene so ezifati defenders no Mekandia front afenso so no mabaguma dia maodia Danilo Juventus Italy Sanso na Emerson Royal Tottenham Abrante ni dey Alexandro Juventus Sanso ni Arana enso no Atletico Mineiro so no Brazil crowd mu Thiago Silva of Chelsea enso etuma ba Marquinhos of Paris Saint-Germain Edgar Militao enso na Real Madrid na afenso no Lucas Farisimo enso Benfica ono so etuma to nsa enso na dia frena enso na nya sem kuma enso na wo ho yenko na afenso no Midfielders no yentumi afanto dwa enso na fama etie for dia Abrante ni dey Casemiro enso na Real Madrid of Spain sanso na Fabinho of Liverpool England sanso na Gerson Martins enso no we dey no Olympique Marseille of France yetuma to nsa enso na etumi dia frena Everton enso na ene Flamengo Brazil Fred enso na Manchester United etuba sho ene Fred ni age so join the Brazil team na ono so na training so wo sanso na Lucas Paqueta enso na Olympique Lyonnais Abrante ni dey enso na Eden Nelson enso na international Brazil Claudioma ono so yetuma frena strikers ni Abrante ni dey Gabriel Jesus of Manchester City ono so yetuma freno Anthony wa Ajax Amsterdam team no Leeds United Gabi Flamengo Matheus Eguha Atletico Madrid Neymar da Silva dos Santos Junior Paris Saint-Germain team no ana afenso Vinicius Junior enso na Real Madrid yetuma to nsa enso na tuma dia from Rante ya enso na nyasem kuma yanko na afenso no le Blues of France squad no enso yentumi enfam to dwa enfama okopiemu of France enyasem kuma ene coach ani dia de sam so no etuma na mi squad na o sure say World Cup qualifiers so no nyama betuma koso edema France minor enso na nyasem kuma goalkeeper ni goalkeeper ni ade Benoit Costel enso na Bordeaux to my friend Hugo Lloris out Tottenham Hotspur Meka Ayamagan and so now AC Milan team no ono so yatuma tonsa e da friend with nation mrante na omu gina wono which players na omahofa na efe papa which Mathieu Guendouzi which ahofa ma Brante na tuma fa na just Le Bleu of France no omatuma crowd so mba be boy juma e so to me the amok oman konkon France enya senkuma defenders ni Lucas Digne Everton Samson Alio Dubios so Leon Lucas Hernandez of Bayern Munich team no ono so tuma Pronouns a Kimpembe and so yatuma tonsa etumi e dia friend ono Paris Saint-Germain team no ma and so na nya senkuma Julius Koundé of Sevilla ono so yatuma join France Bob Minor and so yatuma ready to yetiefo ni Benjamin Pavard ono so yatuma ba Dayot Upamecano ono so yatuma join team no omunya Bayern Munich team and so nya senkuma Rafa Varane of Manchester United ono so yatuma ba midfielders ni Matteo Guendouzi ono so na kan de ma Olympique Marseille Theo Hernandez of AC Milan of Italy Paula Billy Pogba Manchester United England Andre Rabiot so no Juventus team no Brandon Idin so na Jordan Vergot so no Roma ono so no yatuma tonsa atumi e dia friend no na forward ni Brandon Idin e Wilson Benyada Monaco team no Karim Mustafa Benzema Real Madrid Spain Santo na no Musa Diaby so no Bayer Leverkusen ono so yatumi atonsa e dia friend na Anthony Martial Abrante ko segwa and yatuma tonsa dia friend no so na France di no man you Abrante segwa Twitter call Santo na Twitter dia o meboa Anthony Martial ko segwa dia Instagram ni Facebook ni atuma ti akọ wi asimu enya semkuma ti Martial atuma ti join France enya semkuma Santo na Abrante ni dim Antoine Philippe Griezmann so no Atletico Madrid ono so atuma join aye team no me ko ka Martial asema Facebook na ko sabe nemom no Abrante ni e de Kylian Mbappé Lutin ono so ni watuma join France squad na eno so no enya semkuma ti win squad teams ni bia o Europe omo so no etimi ababontia ya di atudwa enso no etimi ere amountini ma FNC na ntwa ya umra ya ba ni aka no enso ebeto anwo Alright, and you know, I no. I want to install fire now. I'm for to where there be masa. Cause she go Instagram off, WhatsApp off, Facebook off. Me say me can many asem, but masa na she go. And anka rapture yaba, but yankopon fair fee. See, bibi abe to me come about. And some more kwa babim. And from Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio. And so Oko Facebook Obetima join here na washe Jumedi no so live and so Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 so na YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 also Obetimi ashe live and so Instagram and so Okoman 971 Okoman 971 and Instagram yes social media handles no also Obetima join Jumedi na washe bibia na bibia so no etimi kama and so etimi area ma obetimi ade comment nyina and so afa ho na mo WhatsApp SMS or the bar 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 obetimi the WhatsApp message and afin so SMS and so etimi area ba oba na udi aka ho ni baby afi na kama and so no etimi ade amain I remember Abiyafo Akwaba na yemedi nkomo onu say international break ne de edusi ya na ye say obi aso etuma ye say but mami yin nkomo wo mfemfi wo na yemedi nkomo ofie onu say ojuan next week yes ojuan next week ntene mu amwo apue man tem akwa pema mo Greater Accra Western region Ashanti region wo North kra na beba why uska wo ho kwa dia betima ba odwira no e sha say next week Monday on the 11th na che so odwira na tima sha say na on the 14th and 15th yo tournament football tournament and soccer football na America for no wo fan BBB we soccer tournament e betima koso e wo okwapem ha especially Kropon and a soccer tournament no because on the 14th and 15th na your penny wa ha ono part of the organizing committee ono so no any need nkomo ya wie anya to aso na feel so yet me ye fi na ye hu ne yakwa ne ne ba mamema opanyi kwamana Japan nyame kwamana Japan nyame asare kan ho ana asare kan asamwa asamwa bi amini no nyasem and you know
doctor
doc okay or your doc so sorry doctor kwabana Japan nyame asamwa no a title doc the title and you know practice practice a title na okay doctorate degree what the amro fine enche beba you know your bon pie and you know doc wa yeni ni bedin komo and so no afa odwai soccer tournament and also everybody so no na young preparation so far maybe no want to fa akodu na yen so no yet made in komo and no join here feed na Facebook and so no betuma share live ho Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sounds na YouTube Okoman 97.1 YouTube onsa ebetuma ka sounds na Instagram Okoman 971 also obetimi join here then we ukra radio set now tuni at Okoman 97.1 also obetimi etier live and so ho na bibia so no etimi kama tuni no so ba nti no tuni no so wa ma no America phone so no woko Okoman radio 97.1 tuni no so a so obetimi etier and so ho na bibia so no etimi fine and no doc bibia fine
AK another Roma and on Bible
send a boy AK now many age and I guess in that afre okay I'll quarry into us but it's our friend and no quarry the AK na Eddie but the BBI fine fear ye BBI come on
BBI daddy
okay is it Tia but yashi na yenin komo okay that's okay na bibia so let my fan but my miss out and so far preparation it today and you know odwai bay soccer tournament and what much is preparation so far and also today
ekene di kan medal ase wa kwenya odi ama me Okoman 97.1 say do achiri yi anopai nyina na mehwe Facebook live morobo adwuma papa
that's it
mesan so achia etiefu nyina na machia ebusuafo so we apa kwadwo asamu nyame oye beza ewo nifa senior high school
fantastic
ena me mama ya se wan so eye odwura erebe I think say nra yedi kan ebobo napo so say eye 14th and 15th of October and the other can senior so I want to din osia there your soccer tournament afi krabehwe you say senior na ye kind no top 4 our qualify Acrofan soccer tournament I organize last year December when I already see kan akokwaso amanfo abangase ene ahimbrom nhihye de eda kwam pepepepepe so far you ready pitch no ho juma nyamencha de yensa aka approval every PC principal honum say you be use small field no ede aiden edi agurun
Ekropon PC field no
PC small field okay. Say your big field or small field small field na yeri use any twema team managers no ye share say ye be share on near the obia jerseys and ne preparation fee fund ama on
Mama teams in jerseys.
mpacho you.
Okay. Customized jerseys.
Mpacho bia nyane unique jersey.
Wow.
Yes, 18 in number. That is jerseys plus the hose. Yema jersey kekena unkonkofa socks bia amfa show na amfa mamebo. No, e pese obia look as a professional footballer into no yema jersey plus hose. Into no and the war preparation fund, which is an amount of 500 Ghana cedis each for each team. 500 Ghana cedis each for each team. Inti yasha say nyame adoma eye yawde erebe yawde wo Okoman radio forecourt haya eye petema wa hayi
Yenim heye.
Okay. E hon ye bedi dwuma no. Inti by 12:30 near fiase. Inti 12:30 ni yenyina be hyiam e wo Okoman radio enim ha. Na afi no ye de teams ni nyina eye akokoaso abangase ahimbrom ene amanfo wonyina niama wo be yusu e de asia kan no ama won na yenya fi honom a ye be pese ye be ba Okoman radio ahanom na madaro mama teams no akwanya na won so won aka na say won efa tournament ne ho intino nedi kan Thursday no sane ye share no 12:30 pepe wo Okoman radio forecourt on PTM here hana
presentation
presentation
okay.
For all the 4 teams ni na no one managers ni na represent it na ye the one yama aiden ama we are ba be dede kakra
dede say
we no mbabo hinya na ya de
jama session no
jama no
esa say odi say oni mba
yo esa say ye butu adan intino ye ntimi nya ne gidigidi wa bonten kenya sade anka ye de ma won wa bonten na nti studio hade ye be ma nipa kakra bi pe but ujo hudia na wodo waka wachire na yewia ni akodi dwuma na nkasa woni ahwese ni akan no kware na say ubedwa wanu keke nti ne obonin
okay na teams no muhu won response no awanke kan teden e wosoro say woni wa krado say obobo no nso obeje jesi team ya meni ono okoje sika koje jesi kodai wa mabobo no
oyede esan say ne eye enije wo hone say teams no wori shian obia pese o prove point say last tournament na we share no you winning no pese o kire say enye intoms nya say bia obeka say lack bi na shine ma oye kire so pese o kire so nimbu ankasa ena ne ono so wo share no pese o kire say chance bi na onyan ena o de share ena o de winning nti ahokeka no wo soro teams ni nyina fiasere ye de course ne de eba from front back left right center
okay
obia e de anije ebinom tonkra fi nkran ne ade ba say the way a niema record ne afi ose ade soccer tournament ne de ebe wo soro pa
okay
pa
na obi se mimisa okay ba mimisa na ayi mubo wi a tournament no ase na top 4 mubo wi a mo wi ana say mo hwe say after top 4 no mo so no wetima okay JP aba JP say ono obi sa question ya no JP
yeah
bibia fine
nyame adom eno mpai wa oboma Manchester
Ose
nyame adom no mpai wa oboma Manchester
say wo be ko form ntino ane me guso sampai bo ane me guso was sampai ntino
nyame nso do ntie mpai wo hunu
so nso bi anso nton san fencha ne buso nti unje se me bo mpai papa
wo bo mpai bebira wo bodua ndi wo ko so
me bo na kitchen kakra na me bo kakra ntino JP so adwene ewa na mami bisa JP after Ojo tournament your tournament bi a yesa me bo
em say na wotwetwe mu no me bai no obi bisai na me san me answer em say mesen esimu bio em say tournament no ayebo no nyame adom aya ejina Acro Farms so you know unze Acro Farms were part of one district, one factory. Na nyame adoma Omampayin na Dudan Kwakufado. His Excellency. Ochina oreba be da fofra edi. Ano the same one district, one factory wo buye you know na ehon faso. No be ni football na tournament na esambe kan you know. Inti de bu bank timi ye bibi be say hu hia. But ne replaying effect you know. Aya na I was through too much. Inti ejina Acro Farms. Ye bompa say Acro Farms make a profit. Once no komono nko ade nyame adom tournament no ye the bebo because in part of planning no bibia ne say annual game ye bo atoaso nti unze ba ko no ye meetings aye konya na ye say moma ye mbo na nea ebcbia na ye benya suahunu bi ne ebeba no nti na me bompa say mo na bibia nso call fefefe nti nyame adom this year so ye bebo eno na emma sa very top for yi ebema na spectacular based on previous tournament no unze adibia no say if the foundations no wo ha nen hihye so no enye difficult the teams are going to have it easier more to organize their team than previously because they say no o kata we nikura o your team manager o skeleton of one a opese obeka ho na yi hanko yi inti yi kwa ye test case for one a opese wo ye yes o to say unim tournament in last o ye exceptionally well I mean say ni biti unu the sizes of your players unya body kakra among your team and can be exceptional because now boys need good because untimi nya a 5 feet defender and central defender he was too short.
Na wish yourself you made to mark up.
Yeah.
Bema camp na.
So players anka unya baby untimi nya a short striker wo did them 1-1-1 anyway because striker they all side nti obi ti say wo a skeletal view of team ni nyina the subsequent tournament ayebebo no you expected nothing from BB great fit. See guy go now.
Our 4 matches maybe we need to lose to
the coach you know over Ghana with Nanajima. Na brother Nanajima by Ghana for already was na Kasa, then they should play this way, they should do this way, they should do this way. And what I'm Ghana team back one.
And what they Lions. Make Hearts of Lions.
7 matches, 1 draw. 7 matches, a war draw back or losing.
Hearts of Lions. Make
but
why are you?
But on no crano, Anka Oman Brea, you know, because Okita a different mentality. Ordinary players in him at the time. You know, never buy a before you nyan tobas, you knew us our training home. No, well, Anka woman a bre, and I mean, blame will be a Sikansu knew how Oberman is aberno. Because Uncle Obetimia build Oko United with ne Suehunu, ne experience, ne exposure. Ah, now Aquaconia that time, no. Yentimen Sonu Musa asset. Nemum within the few matches, you know, any good anyone say, any boona bem. Inti mantese wako coach Ghana team ya, you know, and upana ye kasa already so na make about consciousness, you know, yenga say country asset for no reason because of one mistake and on to be on so be kasa too much, but
kasa ne yene don no kasa, kasa big kasa party no kasa, but na obi kasa the previous tournament amoboy no. Master ambassador no mudi nkomo so bia munya best player in the tournament e bia we try na ma pe team bia na say mo de na she baby say na bia na career person obi ode no and so no etima ko san she say no to then afi mo de bi ba ana
okay maminti earlier on she say ni mu earlier on she say ayeye na ye di so no say ye be pe various team managers na pe various scouts na won aba be hwe ball no nti ene obi a obe yiwo talented na obe choose wo no na no yewo me yan say ye be make sure say best player ye be kwako because the best players very technical nti yan hihye bi asa the same nhyehyɛ na yɛyɛ previously no enua na yɛkɔso gyina mu tournament no adwempo no nyinaa yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛre boya no okuapema nso asɔre nti no bibi ketewa bi a yɛyɛ bia no yɛ invite the business side of it nti sɛ yɛbɔ brɔmbrɔn a yɛre mbɔ brɔmbrɔn ne kɛkɛ yɛmbɔ brɔmbrɔn na efe yɛnkɔ hwehwɛ nipa mbra nipa yɛ top players na wɔn mɛhwɛ bɔɔl no obi shine wɔ mu a na wɔn atɔ no kɔ ɛno nso tumi create a business a job opportunity ma yɛn nuanom nso a wɔn nso wɔsɛ wɔpɛ sɛ wɔbɔ bɔɔl no nti yɛ repeat the same thing tournament bi a yɛbɛbɔ biara no if Okoman radio if Acro Farms if shoe fabric yɛ involve a nea yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ane sɛ yɛbue opportunity biara yɛbɛnya for yɛn nkrɔfo nyame yɛ adoma no wɔn nso wɔnya adwuma so this season to yɛkɔ expect a greater number of team scouts and team managers a wɔbɛba na wɔn nso wɔabɛhwɛ players no agori na wodi no na obia wɔbɛbɔ bɔden a wɔtibɛyɛ no who knows also it may foul
last year dia mo boy then na mo achieve film
so yen enije ba mupa ma yen was the excitement a yin nyina ye ka yen ho bom de ya den ene se ne nipa ne nsusu ade ne mu no ye ne fefefe ma the competitiveness ye de ya de eno na for us and eno nko anso na na ehia ye na at the time na crew I say they menko meba me tension kakra wo ho but sa football tournament that single activity alone be calm me bibia down na ye ball no obeka se bibia currency ye eno ye a true ekropon fusuban na ye me can say me e dey na dey as me digress so show patch of me can say be my study at DBWM na bachon painti say enyampa obi draw my attention say uja we kopon fon kwan no to a sometimes I things that we can talk about like e bin see me be that we e be a maintain man for too much maintain monochrome here but American asem ma me hu we kopon about akwapon fusuban uja we kwan ho ha yankoda yet na say timi bobo yensem ho timi can bibia so the greatest thing na eye for us is say na ye gidi say ye betimi aye na eno nkwan no de ding ne unity ne kabom na ekropon be come back to normal eno na ewo ye team say bibia betimi aye and football you say not always ekropon people will rally around football. Always a couple me brombo me hu nyina no nti yes and na so then that was it for us the euphoria obi any je hu na ebe activity people are anticipating say the subsequent years yes and repeating that's the success story for us.
Okay now
kakra nka junior JP kano the motive or the objective of a tournament in the organization, for us, they achieve it because now, for a very long time, they bought Brown Ibiache. They bought Biache pants. Now, shall not say football, semno, erocofem, a cropon has seen. We came so any other background, MIA in Japan. Inti, share soon, who say, to be frank, not and die down to say send an eye expecting a rising year pan and my need by in kabum to say send JP a kind and a tension near the idea near war crum ninano and nina call fem nibion sono osha as some year who say a cropon ye payan football ye pepan cause enko ye chinanka ye nya e yabo so krumafo nina do who jam Emma, Emma, Bibia, Ewe Paye. Inti, I think, say, in a way, in Kabum and an eye, in Kabum, in Sunny Nyai. Na, en konkursi ho no ma ye di say nya everybody Osiadio soccer tournament will outweigh what we've witnessed in the past.
Okay. Now I feel in Esha said having
14th
October.
October.
Make the tournament Acrofans
tournament. Oh, okay. More the committee no in Shia. So okay. Mint yentimi ma specific dates.
Okay.
But a day woman is a part of the calendar. It is a organization committee no. Brave bahon nyamima kwana yeshiana ye the BBR to go and so yabema manfunati. But football abba. And football and so you're here to stay. Brown no ye pay. Yenhwe na si betimi nyame adom yetimi bo afe. I believe in growth. Say I didn't say start here. The next one I'll be you're bigger than our year previously. Inti nyame adoma Akro Farm soccer tournament, Brown tournament, money 10 years. Ebe dang festival. Money 10 years, ebe dang festival whereby people from the north obe pay say obaba be bo we no. So me say bibiano as ye koye nimu no ye the business value also of it. The tourism value, or the agriculture. Ultimately, separate is an area. Okay, at this single thing now, and ne yina ye what them higher the and hujima ye me ejina no. Ye man of 10 years, 20 years to 50 years. Ye man no I will be young chino one yaw.
Alright. Sure. And JP, and I think so no Kwabena Japan Nyame. And I was saying, Jeff, born open, and so you open. Ojay, your tournament at Ojay Bebo. I say, your soccer tournament, and no Yabebo na. Where can we be? And I could France more than Warabo. I'm a crap man.
I think, first of all, make your way to Funina. I think this year I've been privileged what the American committee share tournament near Banaso and looking at the capable hands a woman it's going to be a success. I know it's going to be an opportunity for us and so to discover talents as JP kind. You never know which scout or nipenim or show or between the work with one team or the other. So everybody should bring their A game because you say we looking at the past, no, in Tawantawa ni idea wa hon ni adeno. You say previous tournament, no, amended. Internet I say we is on another step. Say yebebo enije beba, inkabum beba. When you went to koka biya rema wo. So we are looking forward to a great tournament.
The tournament I bought last year. I am sure my witness 2 players. My baba home they say our heart to folk. Youth their friend Rashid. Our heart to folk our bomber sign bro near the other back say Aqua Lions. I think Okoman Malaysia as China. China home. When you have a ball our tournament here, it to me who wants more than one or so. It means we are other lower divisions and so our Ghana. I think it's one player to me a new call up today. I think they are under 15 the national under 15 team. And also the ball crowd them I think that says Bibisa I'm bro on also to my I think it's Acro Farms and more organizing committee no more boy Juma Nyankopon shira mo pa na mama hoden any nim dia Brenda don nyina mbetimi aye de aboana okwaman ekropon enso no etimi afa na ntam pefra Nyankopon shira mo waka bibi kakra de akere
pacho we me di twem back before our show started no me who fantastic news be so we will be ma only 3 more years extension enti no
Uba Sulu na yi Uba Sulu na yi
ye
bi a wo ma contract extension na
ye nieji Yeniaji papa. Yeah, we say man you for no. Obakasi wongeni
Ebi team bi ba kofa ole na wabeko.
Debi. Yeah, we say man you for any nye hunso. Yendi yeniaji.
Ozana JP show.
Ono now can busa say for no.
4 more for
Barcelona want to be at
4 more for Ole.
Barcelona buso. Eh sure kura Barcelona ni mbobo sin man you.
4 more for Ole.
Okay. What them?
Okay. Me you know. Me a Ghana ni mapa. I am exercising my right not to speak.
But you are speaking.
No, I'm just telling you, me exercising my right into my eating.
Okay. My emedin komo. Obeka bibi.
Na meka ne say Akro Farm so why ade. As a supporter, tamana match ne kwaso no nso no na ye hu a e ma ye ni gie hu a ye be pese abendom bia no so na oka no wo be ye no. Because we say na edu Saturdays and Sundays na krumu ye ball kakra that time na match na start ye no ba we ye hu say edu Saturdays and Sundays obia pese okopa kwa hwe niama to the park na so hu mofra wo hu mpanfo wo hu kokora je say hu say nipa ni ani je say football no be koso ntino ye babo wa ba so say wa ye ba ko na wan kwatena ase na wan san akoso eliye ntino ye supporters na de ye ni je hu say match ne ba so ntino se wasan ye foforo de be da wan ase because park no ye ma match ne supporters ye ni je ball no ho cause do park no so ya hu a wo chante hu je say hu say na park no so ye there because ye hu nipa bia wo ye kromafo ya wanya konfo but you do matches no so wadanya konfo a won na sisi form an wagugo nsire ni ade uti say na fantastic nti no ye je say wasa de match na ba me je say ebe de u say me say de me wa himbrum na u say oh himbrum so me say yende the whole town
Mama is Paris Saint-Germain. One no na
oh there be ya no so you say himbrum de the whole town oh na de hina na wo
na J Cup no
oh we say akoko asu na J Cup na baby
motor so an
this year 4th the year 4th and you say amafofo no one we advance one host league no
motor so an
4th
ano
oh the anything am making na me tell say amafofo no one host league no into no say your mount position nyina na say na crown bem because
oh na mo position wa ko position my first never do go
into no this time and be tough some am go see what thing but for the be one say paying because the whole town no ahimbrum net so into no open be where die ahimbrum open be a post office where ahimbrum open be a ahimfina kase see ahimbrum just say open be a as oba ahimbrum into ahimbrum de be a be ko bia no as oba fa ahimbrum because one ahimfuni nyina den ete into no ye den a afi de ahimbrum be fa tournament
pay be market wa
ahimbrum ne wo
okay how be a school where
oh say ne wo say ye hono ye ahimbrum na first na ahimfun kwa na ete wo into de cheche ya wo say ahimfun wo vision wo say ye me yi kwa into no bi ansa na baby I say ahimfun na tenase na wo say into ma school ko da ache yeah because I ahimbrum I was the center of the town I want I ahimbrum no
yo ya te enti no senior on duty no ba fresh my ma akwa ba
eke meje so
bibia kama
nyame adom bibia hye eke
oba no ye
obi ahun ye eke
okay
na ebechi etiefo biem na awie yi me ebechi etiefo
mitio
sabre ne abre nyina afidie ne da Okoman 97.1 radio ya mama ache eke eye tournament na eba so no I think say many age ekwan a empanifo nam so eboa ma eye okuapeman etimi e fa ntoma pa fra agudie de a ye kan football no e ade ba ko a ye nyina ma ye nige enti ye da empanifo ase na nyame enchiro se na be ya emrekwa ye nimu nso mbenya ne ye chance no ma beboa because tournament say no etimi boa ma yenya talent yenya mamu ani mbobo because Ghana dey e fa ne talent dey nyame dey adom ye enti say enei impanyifo atimi ayenhyehyɛ ama saa adwuma dey e ba so e bompa se beto aso na aboa ma okuapeman atimi afa ne tuma pafra e wa gudie mu enti eke kakra meka wo tournament no
okay ano aye Papa Fresh I don't know, so I didn't some area to go. But and the National Sports Authority, and so not to me the press release about only say the Black Stars of Ghana and Zimbabwe game, you know, and I remember so Cape Coast Sports Stadium now ahead of that game, you know, and then you know National Sports Authority, and so no to me at the press statement to me about my making kinda at your phone so National Sports Authority public notice Ghana Black Stars versus Zimbabwe counterpart. The aforementioned FIFA 2022 World Cup qualifier is scheduled to take place on Saturday, 9th October 2021 at the Cape Coast Sports Stadium. In order to ensure a successful organization of the game in a secure and safe environment, as routinely enforced, the National Sports Authority is cautioning the general public on the need to obtain an NSA-approved ticket or access tax to guarantee entry into our stadium. The security agent to be deployed on that day will not accept any ticket or accreditation tax without NSA's logo and or official stamp. Strictly adherence to this directive is required. Thank you for your attention. Signed, Ora Nidin Edit Charles Obing Amufa, Head Public Relations, National Sports Authority. Anna, everyone sorry about Chiruma. On the manful edu this qualifies and the matches so a manful to me print niyama to what ticket in area NSA no ababon tabe Chiruma. Open say a name okosha match ni bia. Uto ticket na shaso say in NSA National Sports Authority stamp etara so media
when you say this blaster game no idea you can say you nyina sanka NSC and dey ticket na dey ba but when you say enra after say National Sports Authority for the more release by no idea Football Association anka so e dey omo dey aba ministry no dey omo dey aba enti asa apre bi e wo sa ni obey issue you can say accreditation na ase for no ase apre bi akobam
na NSC ni chirema ogoto ticket bia NSC stamp
tariff na just wa boka no minim ne ni say sa di wan ke koso because e nyina nim say dada ni nyina National Sports Authority na e release sa ni ma no e de ma say media ni pe bia na so obi apeti kita National Sports Authority na ye enti minim nia akoba we di enko ade ye kan say ministry no so e de ne ho abamu bi so ono so ade a ono release sa ticket ne accreditation ni bi eti eke empanyifo ntutu ne ma ye because sa na ma say football na say apre bi ewo mu obi pe bibi kakra wo ba bi say obi edi aje obi sa no eke my football na ntimi ko na ni
ma fo didi aje bi
utumu say bibi sa because dada nyina say opa accreditation say be a national team kobo game now here tikita I was saying this year na was say omo ba omo na dada ye de no ya hye no enti e dey na akoba Ghana ne Zimbabwe kobo na ye say ministry say ono na was ono yes adwuma no na say no so wo ho minim ne asi de fine ye nyina nim say na say do of late how maintain your stadiums no problem at the mine enti maybe say no na so mo pese omo je da uniform nsam dia I was say omo to pass it through the right channel na etimi say now na say biem na my ticket and I say match venue accreditations so eke I was saying paying for to nema yi na ya ball no etimi fan to my pa efra eke
okay Kwame Amponsah Addi NSC release ya ori abe
oh okay Isia match no wachira omo de akolenkle ana
David obo ayi
say lenkle no ka ko match no one movie from Cape Coast
so say ticket won sensem no
na ticket won sem eno ne nam Cape Coast anka won bo game no ho efa ho den
say sika no I don't know
sika no den
say any release NSC dia ba chirema obi a peti ticket ato no make sure say ticket na beto no NSC stamp esi so ansa na odia oduba gate what the security be gina oba na ticket no NSC stamp on tarisa unrem
ana game ni so record so lenkle
so what's the Cape Coast
so dabi FA ni so e de ne dia ba
FA no so wo ko ana ministry ne NSA so wo
Dabi
Cape Coast.
From check the official page of Ghana Football Association.
But see,
the venue
first statement now we can say one.
Yeah, one more movie venue no from Cape Coast they are called Obuasi.
NSA so wo
from the official way of in the Ghana Football Association.
NSA no, and FA no, here na yemfa na de no.
Or say maybe say NSA no the by before answer FA no so confirm into with regards to its one more press release in there definitely Cape Coast are known for a period of time you know and on our mobile interactive. Let's say if it's about story being a whole year about they are Ghana match no ebe so a you know obviously nim say Cape Coast never be so until after say any communique be abefi FA no about say the venue has been moved you know me feel say and on ebe the authentic and the concrete and I say the credible one.
Then I can for tickets one sense when NSC no can was me.
No they.
So na Papa Fresh. Yeah, let's say. Yeah. Na me say sika DB. I'm for say what the in some FIFA.
Oh, that be me hu kululu bi a obetumi ayafa this game because me hu say Ghana ha no say NSC no na e was say one more imprinted tickets for national games near day. So we will make this time no say bibia o me pay intina always be me pay say ye benyu obi uni obi kasa efa hunti
my interest producer is saying Sabeka Mr. Mufa ano NSA PRO na yes on any nedin komo ko be meet you
yeah into hodo mo asem ni dey I think say we will go by the NSA's release on so they about pointing so and there a caution our modema young a wahano so what I say young ye be kwa kwhwe matches ni be the supporters front no say wo so be hu say these are some of the key areas I was say won hwe when say okay tickets for the game and announce we say this is the ticket hu here na say qualified so be to make Radiaco Stadium into no no they mean say corrections I want to me here to educate the public about the ticket issues.
Okay. Senior.
Kakra be kan say mpanyemfo no aya woni mu ne waye nyina nti mesre say sansem answer na be out na we say we consultation answer because ye hu ne nti a as the two bodies are they work together na awakobeka say me na we say me ticket ba bonten and I say me ticket na we say ye adwuma na for so beka say me ticket na say ye adwuma because any teams are ye ball we Ghana ha ubedu park na so na ticket na NSA a print ya ma ye bedu na a different ticket obi kura ya obi ye den odi ma go fudi gudam park so NSA mi twa be 2000 bedu na 3000 no watwa bi aka ho so me say sa ne man na me say bi opese buja sa ne man no na me ka what ya say ebi opese why ne straight to the say 3000 because me say yare wo into no say NSA no me say ni park na efa 4000 na nipa 3000 yama na kwa esi make sure sa 3000 bepe na be ko yama obi metwa bi na den ameka ho ntenti na me say bi okase se wudu park na so na say one star bonsi so ya ya de omo awuram enti no e beje say empanfo no two bodies ni na e say what na say na what share the benefit and as the good one e ba bo o man Ghana because me je say brasta no agude nipa kuma film ni ade ba se no we say bring back the love no ama sa ne mane ye den egusi ye adwuma e say nipa eleba park je say nipa baba park to the sense say no ye hu say Ghana players no ama wo homere so ya say obi abepe so kwakwahwe Lucas me bi be ko so kwahwe bi be ko so kwahwe yi nti me je say sa ne mane na ya ade a bagbo nti me be say want to ne maye ye mpese sa ne mane bi be sian si biem because anya say na say wan kasa kwa ye twema mentwe we say there be na say one kasa na organize tournament no amaye no na say one kasa organize tournament jadi we one organize tournament mayen na one hwesi because he say him say nka match na eleko Cape Coast but ne ya ten say yen check up so che say well by clean so at as na say venue no kula kasa fon so san ye problem ama yen ya ye kwakwa hwe ball no nti me just say because obi nim say me say bi wole ko Cape Coast nti no matoto na mo say den Cape Coast na me dem le ko ma fa me ma ye me lole fe ni ade nyina because aka be 5 days to the March no I feel we say le ko linkly so say plan the best asesa because na yes na plan it ne nti me just say sa na me nyina ya ade a I was say we make sure say obatoto ni ye na ene ne ochina with the right channel and the right amount and I say the pack I ever bought one was so am I we preparation when we say now enough and be say baby the beja man pay for no yan can be near research near we say ni oyi kano and I correct one more appointing anything what PRO so no this time here and ye PRO so na what team sinimu no and I say managing board no so no because at time you play no say kasa na Ghana fu nyina mu say yes say and ye den yeko come je say san yes na oyiso ha you hu the right channel and the right thing e was ye ti be say pay fu say anything won tin ye adwuma no and once we ye adwuma no mayen nti ye be say say won adwuma no we ye say journalist phone kan we na sports journalist kan we entimi ye possible it say bibi basa na ye pe nchechiremu a aye be sere won mu ye won apon nto ma yen na se be ya
try say in sabeka Mr. Mufa ano na PRO the National Sports Authority na yen so no ye na di nkomo yes
enti no ye be sere mpan fo say obi tie a na obenu nso ya onka yin si on tweme ni we no ene telephone no na ye ne nkasa ko se tiefo pe ntichirem se na be ya obi a be ye akoma beto ne yam obi a be nya ntiase because football ye ne nim se ye ntiase ne ye ibo ball no ntiase ne ye hwe ball no so ko se metiase ye a ana member park na me wo confidence ade wa be nyina ye no kware ba se manya me ho ntiase na member park no so ya wo ye bibia nya me fe bibia be nya me fe ane ne ade na ye mpemfo na ya wo hunu ko se wo se hu se onipa na mene ne di aka na se mene ne ya adwuma no so nya ne ho ntiase a bibia be bia ne fe o se mpemfo na ye bu be se we tefro sa akora nya akroma fe ana akokọ sa akora nya akroma fe because we say ye den ya na asa no sa na muya because agoni me say tefro sa we ya sa wa ba den o de ne be ye o de ne be twa na anum nti e ma asa no nya na kono na waga se o menyinya wo hwe but se wumma nipa na ya yeti asem no ya yedi mo achi no ya yedi mo gina nim se wonya no mo ya na mama ya nyanti ase a aya na support na de nti e be sere se womra no ma kirekire yemu ni yemu se GF din Ghana de no GF din ye na se sports authority for de no ana ye gina so na GF ni di about one thing sorry ministry no yeah ni yemu say yeah ministry ni ye gina so ana say yeah yes di ni ye ni ye hu de we a because say anya sa na me kodu park we say ukura 50 series na ma fa me 50 e kodu a we say there bi na we say sister na kwa na me kwa invest be na ba so na say makoka gate achi but na ba say me hwe ball no so that nti ba say we say aka 5 days pe nti me say pan for say we say we make sure say say 5 days na aka no e be nya ye ho ntiase because you see if na press touch down ni ade nti say na me nyina ye hu before answer na Monday na because Saturday nti be sere mpanfo na won atoto ne amayi amayi
okay senior and duty and I was saying can make us so bet me ko Facebook na wako share or join here Okoman Global Sports oko Facebook Okoman 97 Okoman Radio 97.1 yes Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 also obetumi join here na wetumi share na bibia so no etumi akoso enso no etumi ede amai sanso na ne YouTube so oka obetumi ahwe ho na bibia so no etumi aye kama and so etumi ede amai WhatsApp text message also obetumi ede aba or WhatsApp ne ba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 oba so obetumi do WhatsApp ana fe so no SMS so etumi aba na bibia so no etumi aye kama enso no etumi ede amayen ewo ho ma menche na fin so no mempe messages ni bi enso no Facebook enka enfama Facebook no o say more energy crop ya sante we NSK Saforo enso etumi ede aba nana afia befi Flozi as I'm watching you live from Ekropon Mandela Market F2 Brother Collections okay F2 we Ken Freeman also we are live watching you from Accra keep my home Okay, keep my home top fire. Okay, and also to me diaba. And SK Saforo, and also another Saforo. And I try on okay. And crap him to the wall, watching you live. Greetings to Mr. Okori from Azor and Ayo. Okay, Ayo. Teacher Ayo. Heavy, my ancient. Obaya, that's a good afternoon, Anna. Keep the fire burning. Obaya, and so it's me at the free tema. And so it's me about Foster, Answer Junior. Also, I could cross all the way. I don't know, Gusuka. Ako, farms, and also joy tournament, so no, there's no, say, a gala, no, and also one or just I could cross one, I say, to make one some, I do as a Felix, also in Rome, the Lions, as you say. And also no more fire and fire in Boom Funya. Keep the fire burning. Ofiepe, still Foster. And so at me about Theophilus Latte. Also, what a wonderful sport. Okoman Radio 97.1. You are the best of the best station in Ghana. Keep it up, Theophilus, inside a safari. And also at the about to keep the fire burning. Also more fire. And so no into me encore and fire and out. And so I will the Facebook comments kakaba and then so no get to me a king kind. And so no to me Eddie Ama also still bit my journey feed, you know. I will hop bit my journey feed, you know. And so hop now where to my shit na BBI kama now also where to me Eddie waging chair and so to me but yembe chest as in Fiona yembe fa course Gladson Awako report about change of terminating the contract without to full but officially had to full and I'll say yeah now come here because Olympics mum and I announced the termination of Awako in the contract. Has team no. Senior.
Oche release another reporter. Olympics. CEO. Diabana. Ninse mo kan say contract na Olympics ni has ko ewo Awako no. Say has no ye half payment half what you have. Na date we have what you have why then account. Na according to one date na asunye twam ama has in fact the payment na kana emaye second payment na emaye that means say one first second payment na emaye dia na was say Graciano ko samba back to Great Olympics na me hu no na mentiasi yendina be say me komu e ko say ampa say sa na Great Olympics e kana na me san hu Awako ono so ne Luisa ono so wade abache say because of sad nintino one terminate ne contract no na minim football emrebia na say minim say efe na Olympics ni ha say minim say na wako ne fire e kire say what to player na what you have payment na the second payment no one dey ashe mo clause me say date we so na say untua ya player ne samla back has fuje tumu as a Champions League we club oni woje sa had ne tumu na wo hwe ma time no esu twam na one ya ma Graciano ko ne contract no Olympics CEO ne kano on terminate contract no na me say busa question wo mu say international sikana akana say one terminate contract no na has we betua back and I say because contract na masan say ya to player yebetua mentini me hu ne enti ya say scan maya o ka je terminate contract for what because scan maya na any things we be wo Ghana na say we are here still ogosutua player no ka obi abobo ne kura wie but still won tua wo vani ska kura so man ye enti minim ehye kwa has ni Olympics kwaya saadi aba because o hwe saadi a one ye nim guase sem men Canada because as a player na kasa kura inkiki boy hu enti no training kura kasa kura onkoye enti no e see then afede terminator of one terminate contractor as a Champions League club na sani meti mi koso mentiase enti no me je say sana awkase to has the one can say about Olympics na kalentinka yenya nchechirimu wo Olympics and as a folk PLO for one can be pa because bema ntiase abemo say na awkase because one team say a terminate contract another team say no contract in terminate here enti na udwene ho a won tiase because who the way I can have because you say who can be better because say where the atro ana one council because say asem ba won so then one ni no kware am ga what as it Kenya nchechire mu fi mpen fo no wa ka be say nka be boya
my kwa ma no so na ni PRO edema Accra Great Olympics
okay
ending komo emfanfa sa issue we ho na afin so no yentimi mfan free wo okay yeah, hello
Hello.
Senior, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss.
Na impomwe.
I'm here to me pa.
Bajo niyama ni.
Yes.
Bajo say niyama PRO at my Olympics.
Then we leave it. PRO na kasa.
Okay, niyama deputy on a PRO. Na bajo in summer yetete efa Olympics. Glatinawa kona had to folk. Saying yatima terminating the contract. Yebetia nanka has for the sanka sanse momoka. Na mo Olympics na say mona news we mo de ba bonten. Sanse mo na say.
E dey na person who fast no.
Say mo CEO Oluboy Commodore and then obe chire mu say yatima terminate awako the contract no. Na ye pen chire mu so yatumi dey free ho.
Yes. So when you almost say awako say has for almost special interest e wa awako. And your chance to set a agreement. The agreement to me was that half for someone to interest coming in now, almost in 2 installments. And almost first installment. The second installment, he agreed say almost in the 2nd October. In the event where almost to me on that almost promise now. Sika almost first one ever ship. And a glass on awako every about Great Olympics as a player because we still have a contract with Awako.
And to say, no situation it is saying, Sika had to folk. It's your mom almost like the Omadi Okoman.
The car want it. Contract, almost as a moment you are winner. To know what is going to refund the money to anybody.
Okay. And I'm going to Musika Nina Emma when I say I'm your part payment. The
car first one here now.
Me say, Utimi.
I would 2 installment basis. 2 almost your first trench. Second trench to almost Tria. She can't ever ship. And I work on the back to your play, back clear back. Here.
And to now, I will be Olympics. I shall say preparation.
I will play at that. And you have no training or you play at that. And that one is not here. They play at that. And so 22nd October, AB on the back of the no show club or con. The contract, or only in the contract crap. The contract is outside. And then they outside that. Great Olympics no so.
And then they had to folk team normal fine saying.
And then this all from no so.
Say Jamoni on a call contract on TV.
Now, you know, the contract that's a minute that I was over on our side one, but I do not do the crap. What to be for it? I think it looks like a what are you? Maybe I'll for a moment of it much soon.
Now, more Eja, almost terminated contract. More asking penny for more money and sana Saudi Wisi. And no money that I won't have to be Bobby because they're crack out. What sign has a sign, Olympics are saying. Clean, clear, and yeah, I say they'll be because of you. On also here the side of the side of the bag in the back. Na obi bisa say anke ne abrante oba ebo ba kokora ombo ma house here na eja maji musika na masanji mu play ase and fault obi blame me shara nya mu fault sa fault obi di letter to him now of sign ona kokuma me papa no wan kan na say me do one kokuna one eye oni ba kwa na eye no. Ne say omo ko exactly me. Piero, me na ase. Okay, and no Piero at my Accra Great Olympics. Ana
Eki. I will see in your house for by if say hot the Piero can no credit. Then I think say has for an idiom bro. because enkoba say when you ready say top player because metie Oluboy Commodore kakra say omu nim ne ha asete enti omu yo adwen sanka sika na omu gini nyina by has ne say sika na omu be tua ni in 2 installments no enti say wo ne omu akosa agreement na document bi bia dan wo say 2nd October mu be tua sika no e de ama Olympics na ene 5th sika ne mae dia and then I was a player and I call back. But I mean, I did back one. Mr. Diama player, and they say, Sanya, most times I coswa. My players no, I'm carry no eba from Kakra. Because the way to me, I cite examples, be bring players be yenum say, to me, quadritum bisika. Now, was Uncle Sandy, my team for thinking, say, Sabi team no, Jimmy Nebia, 1 man is car. By every year, no bones as a player, no, see a panel. Say ne modern boy na ball onim bono ye pena in future e to be mam because says any man na ye omo ye no nti atensa wako ananka wako Africa aba wako bo clubs akese wa Africa no ma aba no atensa nka e wo se ono ehu say anamono mutu na ebi emwa because has in team keto obetimi akoje has ska training kra munkobi meso munkobi training unkobi wo say afi de be nsam se den amra bo Olympics yanti we nu bia after so ko sama has folk ahas epa huntoma na wo say afi de bia tata edu nyina echi no now
player no Olympics anasa to folk
we has to folk near see blame one. Then you won't because
I know the has said you more by issue in the say player Nankasa
producers in Zan comparado.
Player Nankasa should be because
you see
Hanomono.
I believe the player.
Me blame you say has equal that agreement now. And your man no my do medium bro by Mr. Kakra de my player no in future no. Say player ya sound training edu time abeko training wo se afi de bi etata eti be puma na
anya wo mu nti no gina so
e ke mra so se wo ko training na
da bi oti pa fresh anya tie pa fresh tie me anya wo ma sem ana wo terminate contract no
meti ase
so say your contract una has to folk end so what PRO but now they said to the other side of the story but operado your friend and sanka but penia PRO at the Olympics no chirema contract no nti say wo no had to folk and so no end to me anya den end so
eke meti ase o meti
has for they want terminate our contract here
Olympics
na ayo
contract that had to folk
the Olympics in term
and one close to shame say one between the second part of the money
on October
2nd
player
and they agreed to it
22nd October akra player on the contract who Olympics
and they found
and they said that's why they paid first amount to them
utie na you can say PRO ne kan at the end of that 22nd October no say player na nkwa ma no utie or say player na nkwa ma no
still obetna
there be no free because the contract and the contract be with that 22nd it is after 22nd no if say player na nkwa ma no na che say the contract now e ho na say team be pela no that means say bibi wo baby because player wa kwasan de ma a club like House of Folk yeah, pre-season 29th, yes, started Ghana Premier League.
I think the reason why I had to focus April Kofa Wako was the CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Because I go wait to my train, not 22nd. Either so be extend the Olympics and I'll be for free now to focus between now agree now on one fan.
And I bet was in Abia.
Player registration,
and today was all my day, all my in term, and also now my agreement on Mqueno. Means I'm more because a team like House of Folk. How are you has our Ghana a football mu? How are you has one in a delia Eddie and I call Commodore kind or Oluboy Commodore kind or say Omunim has into Omu San Comu cash in Indiana. But has and say and yet no crest Omu to me to any now no Ombe to ya in 2 installments. And no and I when you're ready for that 2nd October and a 5th a chum and the agreement I want to say Abrante na also return back to Olympics until say 22nd ebeba ama ne contract na ewu no still odaso your Olympics player na say 22nd no so wan kwa brochiri a also on be san biom
then one say Awako had for register for CAF was registered for Ghana Ghana League Premier League until for now has for yi ni DMF won elect so ya na play team ya kwa register ni bia say register 2 mranso makwansa
say no player na be ko etia no
mranso and then na we can say so when you on time you very careful obey because
spiritual no and a physical
oh shit spiritual
examples of players are
spiritual
spiritual
get your papa phrase yes as well you can
papa phrase is chira oko aso fu who's the spiritual
as yetim wow enyetim ba
but for now as well you can hear
okoja sika yen fan say 800 million
o wura hu da on
yen fan say 800 million OCD
what you
move 400 who kick ball house down na daily no
my friend you make allegation bedroom Mike crop ya I mean too o ni nyina so bia o nyina so aso o ni nyina so crop ya I mean too Awako issue
okay
that one issue o your friend allegation me allegation o ni any bibi ade be support won o wura hu abetumi wura hu tumi wura crop ya I mean too
okay Awako ne has folk ni there SMP but me ti Awako the manager Yusuf Chepsa ana ene no mababe tie first initial way a buy no controversies a buy no house of folk mpenifo ni bi nso bekasa and Awako ni nso ne tweet bia unhu esomfa so and me no yeah me reply no to era ka change some tweets be near the
entitled to it
yeah but
to me just
as sometimes we are entitled to certain things but say we find on who e was certain part be so abribi o ha won me here oti akonwa im sisi ano as
make a tweet
ana me che say oti akonwa im sisi ano ye wa asem bia enya akonwa im na wote a anka obetumi aka but the moment ubenya akonwa yi matana no enya dia obetumi aka and there a whole lot in some our church but listen to Enei Ushe Oluboya or a very big man in terms of contract in Ankasa no or Kaumbi and has to folk penia obo ni dia no pan say in such contract na say or no so a pen in his signature Odutoi Sowa and ma stressa Masrifia no passa because
contract
okay mensanka contract here na enuna has to folk says no atim din yente from their side and a club like has to folk ebetumi akọ this agreement say o sign contract say player no me sign contract me ma osika ne fa na player no 2 weeks time me the fan ba account 2 weeks time so na man fa na be account me dey ma ownership player no so be say about ho back
and then pen Olympics foka
yeah we your contracts I no wasan abo Odotoi so wadin so no ne sign contract it is abri we ye Odotoi na Odotoi so na sanse mun sisi ya wadel brabonten be clarify on South ati brabonten be clarify on say on sign contract bi a maybe yet sa and even kra unim say anka CAF match a house of folk gbe ana pe Olympics dia wo mukike de nanka abranti ya ye frɛ no Awako feature ya anka unim say house of folk se ko ba se bibia ntuto ye na Awako ko Olympics anka house of folk go beje point if you want nsem e disqualify him yes unqualified player
per Mrano session
enya per Mrano se ena edu ho a loss ne be kasa South Asi, but said the situation it is here and I say, Mijina, the Olympics in Penifore can see also. I ain't free has of folk one, nay, right, dear. I got back contract. Okay.
It was Olympics and contract.
You better young wage because me one person one-sided work the man said that me said that
Kwame Parado baby I will be out here. My son,
and yet you won. House of folk should come up with a release. It's not about yet you won.
Operado and
South Asi.
Operado and public relations officer.
Say social media need to know class baby a letter. Let the whole
Operado now.
South Asi.
Operado as I'm making.
And
Operado is so the release ba.
Or if on your available the communication team know ho.
There be on a leader.
South Asi. Sometimes you no crampo no betro but no didn't say na you why you to me class I'm awon. Those people now one more head so you to me say class I'm and now you late. Okay, since when Awako issue we started? As of folk
do you want to tell me say Operado and Yahweh on the Yakosono? He's aware. But public relations officer, PRO. They are what I'm thinking, they are waiting to bring something out there. Coming nerves down. Or how to focus supporters. You see how to focus supporters. Command also. They are trying to bring something about coming nerves down. Because Awaku, you had to focus. And I was on to play a piano to Awaku.
Oh yeah.
But then they are Kobanesa. And Operado
because they should come up with Bibia ebe to me I say ebe say coming Bibia down if not that bad there
never wait to me and so to my fraba now the raging chair and so to my bem 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 ube to my fraba Oti Frank and so on Facebook I say the best afternoon sports news in Eastern region. And also at media but Nanaya it's never true and it can never be true that Gladson Awako has terminated his contract. Oluwa Commodore does not even know what he's saying. Awako is still a folk player. Our supporters in Eja Omeja. Hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss. Frank, I'm free Hanover.
Frank, what is free?
Hanover.
Abogba.
Hanover.
Hanover. Okay, Frank, mind you. Bacho, ube to me jina hamani chuchesi kakra.
Okay,
mind you.
Okay, bacho, anopano uche, you see, that's a okay, Awako, and has no contract. It is our contract termination. If I wait to me at the contract, I walk on Ankasa. I'm not saying how to fool. Now, Canadian or Canadian. I think the official can be our bunker. You know, smart. Bema, oh, baby, I'm not a man. In the football, and I'm in the football. I can't make a mechanic with a master plan.
Frank, yes, sir, I say, and football. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Bacho. Dini baby Afrefi.
Royal Johnson.
Master Timo, my you.
Yo, and it's one thing for now. Yeah, I guess already I can make it because the one the it's so much the offer. If you say you will come up, red card. Okay, it's a look. That's what we don't now this year. When you talk about that, what you think? I can't be the one what is the one who put me in the way? This is not one of the contract. Now, I just don't on your body. I don't know what you want.
Hello.
Good afternoon,
Enoch.
Boss.
Enoch, my you.
I'm in Boma, but I need my palm mobile. Na men how home go parado de na de so be fi mu mpo no ani bu PRO for duma o Ghana ha ke o se Olympics omo PRO no nim se yo mo e ka wa bonti na ye no kwenti o so friend na o fa wa tidente mu a kire o e se omo me no nyina atena ase ama bibia o pepa free se ha te for se omo ji omo hudi credit or terminate contract the ana so mo da so Ghana ha mo bo box Champions League dia asam no Olympics for aka no mo me yi o mo ho ano mo mla mo me yi o mo ho ano nyama we na ekoso Ghana football mu na se Rebecca se nkro Rebecca se nya no kra club na ba be kire nti se heart for o mo se di ekoso na nya no kra se friend say ye the ba se cap for say o ma ba mo afan do o mo sika bi o mo picture na nya ho no o mo ba bonchen de ka se o mo do mo nti bia nti o mo me to parado to se nya no kra on ti kiko e na tie fo so ye ho no ne ye hwe ho na mo ko bo ma tare na kwa ba be hwe o mo ento tia o mo to ni amo na nya me adwuma
oni nya mintina unsu betuma fra ba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na also what to me Edo Ajinche and so etimi aba na Glatin Awako Olympic chemo ma terminating the contract. Hello.
Yeah, Diamond.
Good afternoon. But you didn't be afraid.
You are not in the house for and I'm a castle.
As I see house for you wako.
House for you wako.
And I wait your house for my why?
Yes. I'm the person I can say. Yes, na wako. No contract. And you both teams and and I will agree on what to do. Terms of payment, what I may do, I can do. What if the demo will be a full call? And they have a tissue, and they have tissue. A breach of contract, agreement on the and fact, until you want to I will with him. Those called football people, and we said, it will not help Ghana football contract and all. Abrogation of them, that's now come back to the Olympics. Has to here one time couple new agreement. Now the BCB today Commodore the kind of say and I say Ghana football. Crap. But that's
it. As I say, Sasura, my now I say house 44. Yeah, now I say mutie show no. 0270 191 971. My family last caller. Now fin so yatima sorry Jumedi no so. Ko Facebook na fin so me share comment ni bia etimi aba. I say okay young rich I say I do fear move on Richard and also etimi edifi etema and also etimi abortion life and so Facebook na afuzo di one na musa yeah
say na certain we comment via radio or say has to folk player no has to folk ni betumi terminate contract.
I mean share nana yaw
it is never true as such.
It's never true and it can never be true that Glatin Awako has terminated his contract. Oluboy Commodore does not know what he's saying. Awako is a full player.
Okay. But I think any be a caller about because and yet a player no has to folk ni betumi terminate contract. The entire you true ni say contract no per dia Oluboy canon say this time I was say untu yami way the following week and now 2 I was say untu yami way no automatically if say payment no an koso sa pa player no contract no terminated as signed.
Me try no the player no answer no refi Olympics ako had to folk no na contract in wuye.
Yeah.
The agreement was between
Olympics ne has to folk. Player ne the oni muche.
And you know, had to folk say your player, your Glatin Awako Olympics okay. I can know 3 months and 2 months before Ubenya no before Ubenya Awako no okay. Sika say any other mom. Tiago as menya manasa mensa enso sa sika ni nyina ye be say uchema bi mai also okay ye be chema bi ama make first payment second payment no ye ma e bia 2 weeks first year one to me afentu ya ye cancel contract sika no so onsa eden erenka player no so esamba be di Olympics so and you agreed to it it's the one agreed to it o say unu say Ghana player unu say Ghana ti
2 years
unu say Ghana player contract and time about
they depend on say to your second installment you and sana player and be your player them player
on gasi to your second installment you na player and be your player o say once you deputy but friends utie me deputy according to PR Sanoka also what chere won say one has to focus no person to your second in 2 installments. One to your first one. Nemo second one, yeah, man, ultimatum, maybe 2 weeks. Man, family to ya, the back and so a contract, until a contract, you know, both parties and I agree to it. What sign? My sign. 2 weeks now to we just take our player.
One wants maybe that agreement now all can any document be also.
And yeah, who are doing? It's not Piero Abeka. It's Operado on so Piero. Adema, I has no say so about out. And your Parado Pope say, how to folk team no, and I say about out. Now also no estimating Chechemuba, because Olubo Commodore is CEO, Olympics, Abeka, Piero, Adam Olympics, and so the Chechemu, more details, Abba. Until now to folk, it's up to them. Someone told Chechumba, Man Famba, we still move on. Olympics were terminated our contract. Our Abba. Tio, what's in here? What's our Abba? Olympics. Yes. That's it.
Automatically.
Kobia, that story you follow. Ochana, about to also. Now, yet to me, actually, if you want.
I had to folk to was on the 13th of September. And now was on the 2nd, I said, Wamuntia, the 50% of the contract, Wamuntia. Sa ana na AF5 into automatically
contract na
ewu.
That's it.
I said ya one more coin no.
According to Pierre na. O tell say na ko we wan say nka ha to sa happen ko wenye because we say na ha to 40. And
on some zigeje den.
Sa when you know when you ha to 40 na ha to 40.
Ah say to your 13th me boy.
13th. Yeah.
To your 13th.
50%.
21st of September. Sorry Ben eba bonti.
Story being about.
Our quit has a folk.
I quit how to folk. Spiritually, I find how to folk.
Our should be careful. They were near my corner. I was almost trans and almost to near my because a year crum hano, Ghana hano. Eki.
What is that?
My fancy brilliancy, my fancy, Ochana, you're about to us on our fins, so let me Alpha and so at me, dear Fro, down. What will see, Ote, Papa Fresh and Car, Sansona, and a senior on duty, Moten and Car, Crobia Sante, and so Moten and Car, Jeff Akufu Boating, and so no, from Eneno, Acro Farm Soccer, Eneno, Committee, and so no. On to Bekasai, John Peter, and so no JP, and so a passy to now face so no Doctor Kwame Ejapon, Yame Asamoah, and also it to me a passy through Nana Encouragement, head of sports, and make sure say Nejumedino, and so be to me a basso, Boabuan, 7 Yanano, producer extraordinaire, and so to me Maniama, and to me a call, so DJ Tony, and so Boa match them alongside DJ Ziggy, and also the Facebook, you know, make sure visual, so no, be to me Kegu, I was Ziggy. Nyankopon sha we heavy na ana Abraham wana wutu no I special wana and also I don't know Samson executive producer Ayura Kofi Anson Bafo and also no she said Jumedi no ma and also no tumi ba so Nana Kwame Perry the finest and so boy chidom kama bibia here kama wanya bridge on Facebook Nyankopon sha YouTube so no Nyankopon kan ho na ombo ho ba mo amutie yen echichi ne benche nyina Nyankopon so no Asia Bubre comment no so no also but you bit my kana yes need to me I can Yakupon Shabebre sounds no utumi eche raging from Facebook wow to me Fred by nyina Yakupon so no insha Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio you be see medin and Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi ubetimi aframe AK enya mepa ochana ebisia muchum
Listen.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Yeah. Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
I'm hot, I'm cold, I'm tough, I'm soft. I'm kind, I'm mean, I'm the rhythm to your heartbeat. Who am I?